You just got pranked. What is up, YouTube? Future Tay is back with a prank for Bae. For Bae. She's getting it today. So this girl, her dirty ass, she getting in the shower. It's been like 3 days since she washed her hair. I'm not understanding. So since she want to do that little prank on me, I got one for her. I put baby powder in her hair blow dryer, and when she dries her hair with that hair dryer, she's going to be upset. It's going to be all over her face, all in her hair, and she's going to have to rewash it. But that's what she gets because she doesn't know how dirty she was not washing her hair for 3 days. So we're going to wait to see when she comes in to hair blow her hair. Thanks. So stay tuned.
Now you want me to try it. Do you like my hair like this, or you think I should blow dry it?
Blow dry it, babe.
You said what?
You should blow dry that shit.
Blow dry it?
Yeah, because you just not washing, you know.
I'm hip. It looks fun. What you been playing Fortnite?
Yeah. It's been a while. It needs a rank.
I just know this is not gonna reach. I'm just cause baby, you are what you are, and I had to blow dry my hair.
You just got pranked, Tay. Team Tay. Casper the ghost in the house.
Babe.
Yes. Oh. How you doing?
I just got it.
It's okay.
I just, for real, I just got out the shower, and I'm gonna have to rewash it again. And that blow,
Bae, it's
look
okay.
at the floor. And like, bruh, what if the blow dryer is freaking broke?
I'll get you a new one. Bae, it's okay.
It's not.
Just go wash your face. Go wash just go wash everything. It's okay.
Oh my god. You're not even playing Fortnite.
Bae.
Oh my god.
It was a prank. I got you. Team Tay did the best prank on Babe. I love you.
I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it.
You look like a sad clown. You scare me. Like, why?
Why would you do that?
Hey, it's okay.
It's suffocating me.
Go wash your face. Go wash your face.
I have to get back in the shower.
Well, next time you wash your hair.
Really?
You took 3 days. And you pranked me. So, now what?
This ain't even right. Like, for real, my chair, the floor, my blow dryer, my hair, my face. Watch. I'll get you back. I bet you all up in my face. I don't care. I don't care. Huh. And I'm gonna get back in the shower.
Okay.
And fix my face, my hair, because this is just a minor setback.
Oh.
For a major comeback.
All right. Hey, y'all. So that was hilarious.
Wait till
And
the next video.
I know when she gets me back, I'm not ready. But please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Because Team
Y'all better not comment
Team Tay
in this video
won.
because it wasn't good.
Team
Like, for real.
Tay won.
Do not condone violence because it's about to get real up in the. Cut it off!